Welcome to our instructional video on how to install a double barn door from SARTODOORS. This guide will take you through each step of the installation process, ensuring a smooth setup of your new doors. Included components, all necessary parts for the installation. We start by installing the bracket which the rails will be attached to. Next, we mark the holes for securing the rails, using a laser level and a 90-degree angle to enhance precision and quality. The following step involves drilling and installing the L-shaped bracket, then attaching the rail to it. We finish by setting up the stoppers to ensure the doors operate smoothly. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. Our team is ready to assist you. Additionally, we offer professional installation services from our company for those who prefer expert assistance. All additional information and detailed instructions are available in the accompanying manual. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips on door installation.